Radio, thank you. And Mr. Burks, let me fold this. Medyo mabigat yung darating. Ladies and gentlemen, she's been knocking out people for 50 years. You can just imagine if I'm 40 years old, this lady is 50. Okay, 78.
Wow!
98 pounds.
98 pounds.
Beautiful woman I've ever seen. Sabi niya, I should say that. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very privileged to share the stage with the legendary queen of rock and roll. Let's give it up for Miss Elizabeth Ramsey!
Wow!
That's my mama! Ay, naku, mahina yung palakpak!